Deccan Plast Industries. Eco-friendly quality molded solutions. Deccan Plast Industries presents Liberty Shoe Rack. Thank you for purchasing Liberty Shoe Rack. Let us unpack the components from the box. Remove the plastic protection cover and cut open the top flap of the box using a knife or blade. Place all the components on the flat surface of the floor. Check for availability of all the parts from the packing list. Step 1. Take out the base panel and place it on the floor using its legs as shown. Step 2. Now fix the two back panels in the slots provided on the base panel. Push interlock firmly. Ensure that the smooth surface of the back panels is facing inside portion of the shoe rack. Step 3. Insert the two side panels in the slots provided on the base panel as shown. Push interlock firmly. Side panels are provided with vents for reducing odor. Please note that smooth surface should face outwards. Step 4. Fix the door panel by locating the pivot-in holes of base panel. The handle portion of the door panel should be on the top as shown. Step 5. Insert the top panel by locating pivot-in holes of door panel, side panels and back panels respectively. The embossed Deccan Plast Industries logo should be on the front side of the shoe rack. Step 6. Let us place the shelf rods in the shoe rack. Insert the shelf rods at a slightly incline. Gently slide and press to lock them in the hooks of the side panels. Please note that the shelf height is adjustable as per your requirements. Step 7. Close both the doors of the shoe rack. Congratulations! You have successfully assembled Liberty Shoe Rack. Your Liberty Shoe Rack is ready for use.